Hey kiddos, so today we're going to be doing 8-6, so go ahead and pull that out, okay? If you don't have it out already, I need you to pause the video because I'm going to keep going, okay? All right, let's do solve and share. Barry showed the number 42 with cubes. What are some ways he could have shown 42? Write the tens and ones to show the ways. Describe any patterns you see in the table. Okay, it's going to be a little tricky, a little hard to understand. So I want you guys to watch me, okay? I know that the front number in 42 is a 10 spot. So there's 4 tens. And I know the 2 is the 1 spot. So that there's 2 over here. So I have 4 tens and 2 ones. Okay, now I'm going to take a 10 from this side. And I'm going to say we only have 3 tens. Although I know that's not true, because I have 4, I have 3. So that extra 10 is going to go this way. And I'm going to make it 10 plus 2. What's 10 plus 2, guys? 12. Right. Okay. Now, I'm going to do it again. Now, I'm going to steal a 10 from this side, and I'm going to make it a 2. And I'm going to put the 10 on this side. So now it becomes 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 is 22. All right, I'm going to steal another 10, and I'm going to make it only one 10 on this side. And I'm going to move the 10 over here, so it's going to become 10 plus 22. And I know that that's 32. All right, now I'm going to steal a 10 from this side. Oh no, we're out. So it's going to become 10 plus 32. I know that that's 42. Because I know how to count by tens, right? So counting by tens, I can go 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, right? And on this side, we decreased, right? So each time I took a 10 away and made this side bigger, right? That's the pattern that I see. I see that the lower the 10s get, the higher the ones get. Because right here, this is just 2 and 4, making 42, right? But down here, I have 0 10s and 42 ones. But it's still 42. We just wrote it in a different way. Okay? All right. You still need to look at this. You can pause the video, but if not, I'm going to flip the page, okay? All right, let's read the top. How many ways can you show the number 38 with tens and ones? Is there a pattern? I can make a list of different ways. Then I can look for patterns in my list. The answers all show ways to make 38 with 3 and 1s. So I remember that 3 is my 10 spot and 8 is my 1 spot. Now remember, I'm going to take a 10 away and I'm going to put it on the other side. And this becomes 18 because counting by tens, you go 8, 18, 28, right? Which means that I stole another 10 from this side and I put it in the 1 spot. And then I'm going to steal another one. I'm going to put it over here and I'm going to make 38. All right, so I'm going to count by tens to double check my work. 8, 18, 28, 38. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yep, I think I did it right. Look for a pattern. How can it help you? I see a pattern in the table. As the number of tens goes down by ones, right? It goes down by 1. We're counting down. The number of ones goes up by 10. This helps me check my answers. Remember we counted by tens because 8, 18, 28, 38, right? Okay. So now let's check down here. Make a list to solve. You can use cubes to help you. Talk to a partner about problems you see in your list. Okay, remember I used puzzle pieces? You don't have to use cubes. You can use whatever you have. So today I have buttons. Maybe you have cereal. I don't know. It's up to you guys on how you want to do it, okay? You can use whatever you have by you. It is your choice, okay? All right. Carly lists all the ways to show 25. I'm going to circle that. That's our big number. As tens and ones. What ways does she list? So she lists the easy one first, right? Because 2 is in the tens place and 5 is in the ones place. Now I'm going to steal a 10, right? I took away 1. I'm going to steal that 10. I'm going to put 5 plus 10 over here. But I don't need to know what that is because I can count by tens and I go 5, 15. I'm going to steal another 10 and I'm going to make it a 0. And I know that 15 plus 10 is 25 because I can count by tens. 5, 15, 25, right? Okay, now let's check on the side to make sure I did it right. It should decrease by ones. 2, 1, 0. Yep, I think I did it right. Okay. Sorry, let me move it a little bit over so we can see number 2. Okay, it says Andy wants to show 31 as tens and ones. What are all the ways? Okay, we're going to do the easy one first, and that is the 3 is in the 10 spot, and the 1 is in the 1 spot. Now I'm going to count down, remember? So 3 minus 1 is 2. I'm going to take that 10. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is what? 11. All right. I want you to now try to take away another 10. Okay. Now we're going to do 10 plus 11. And I don't have to count that in my head. I can count by 10 starting at 1, right? 1, 11, 21. Okay, now I'm going to do my last one. All right, and I'm going to do 10 plus 21. And I don't have to know that number in my head because I can count by tens. So 1, 11, 21, 31. This side's right because I counted by tens to double check it. I'm going to check this side to make sure that I decreased it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yep, that's right. Okay. If you still need this, you can keep it here. If not, I'm going to flip the page, okay? All right. Let's look at this. It says, Alma lists all the ways to show 46 as tens and ones. So I'm going to circle 46. 46 is our number. What does she list? I know the 4 is in the 10 spot. And I know the 6 is in the 1 spot. I'm going to take away 10, and I'm going to pretend there's 3 here. I'm going to move the 10 to this side. 10 plus 6 equals 16. I'm going to take away another 10. I'm going to move it over. I got 10 plus 16. I don't know how to count that, so I'm going to count by tens. 10, 16, 26. All right. I have a 1 on this side because I took away a 10. And I'm going to move it over. And I've got 10 plus 26. Oh no, I don't know how to count that one either, but I know how to count by 10, so I'm going to do tens again. 6, 16, 26, 36. I'm going to take away another 10. I'm going to move it on this side. I'm going to do 10 plus 36. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to count by tens again. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46. Okay? All right, now you guys pause the video and I want you to try number 4 by yourself. Okay? So pause it right now and you can try it. And this is our last one. All right. Seth wants to show 33 as tens and ones. I know that front 3 is a 10. The last 3 is a 1. Okay, I'm going to decrease my numbers. So 3 take away 1 is 2. But we're in the 10 spot. So I have to move my 10 over here. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take away another 10. And I'm going to put it on the one side. Now it's 10 plus 13. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to count by tens. 3, 13, 23. Okay. Now I'm going to take away another 10. I'm going to make it 0 on that side. And I'm going to do 10 plus 23. I don't know what that is again, so I'm going to count by tens. 3, 13, 23, 33. You got it right, kiss your brain. All right, kiddos, that's it for today, okay? Have a good day.